did you delete?
Like 5 or 6. Is it full already?
No, I didn't want to. Where's her pumpkin? Yeah, it's full now. Do you want me to grab her pumpkin?
I mean, we'll see if she picks out another one or something. There's smaller ones over here, so. What are you doing?
Okay, we have to take a nice picture for Allie. There we go, that's good. Okay.
Oh, that's a warty one. That one's gross, though, I think. Don't let her touch that pumpkin. It looks like it might be squishy.
Easy, slow down.
I can do it. I can do it.
Oh!
I don't care. I'm happy.
What are all these things? I got your socks out.
See now, I would have never let Albert do that. I would have been scared to death.
Maybe Bugs will like it.
I don't think she cares anymore.
No.
Where's Mommy? Eliza, where's Mommy?
She's like, I don't care. I got pumpkins.
I got dirt on the ground. Let me see. Maybe I'll put some on my mouth.
She's surprisingly not interested in dirt, unless it's on the carpet.
Okay, I give up. Ellie's just going to have to
Oh.
be sad.
I want a pumpkin.
We're going to go to another pumpkin patch.
Yeah, there's another section.
She's gone. Here, Jimmy, let me get her from the front.
I know. She's trying to get.
No, I want you to go to Mommy.
Ooh, look at all the pumpkins.
Oh.
Okay, let's do this first, and let's go get them. When we go back. Eliza.
She runs away from me. She doesn't want to be on film.
Look at this one's wrinkled. This is a funny pumpkin.
Whoop! Don't poke your eye out. We can't replace those. All right.